Hey everyone, welcome to the Kamrul Hasan English Club. Today we are learning about sentence, the building blocks of language. Stay tuned till the end for hesitation examples. What is sentence? Definition is a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. For example, she loves ice cream. This is complete thought. If I say love ice cream, it's incomplete. Types of sentences. Number 1 is declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. And number 4, exclamatory sentence. Number 1, declarative sentence statement. Use it to give information, ends with a period. Example, the sun rises in the east. I love reading books. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Questions. Interrogative sentence means all of questions sentence means interrogative sentence. Use it to ask something, end with a question mark. Example, where do you live? Did you finish your homework? Number 3, imperative sentence. It's all of the sentence which is mean command or request. Those are all of the imperative sentence. Okay, use it for instructions, commands or request. For example, close the door. This sentence is a command. So second one is please help me. This sentence means request. Number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Strong feeling. This is very interesting sentence. Expresses emotions, ends with an exclamation mark. Example, wow, that's amazing. Second one, I can't believe it. Now talking about some common sentence mistakes. So first mistake is he go to school every day. It's a wrong sentence. Correct one is he goes to school every day. This is right sentence. So second one is are you like pizza? This is wrong. Correction is do you like pizza? This is right sentence. Now you know all about sentences. Practice daily and improve your English skill. If you found this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.